In this video, we're going to show you how to install the high beam bulb on your Subaru Legacy located behind your headlamp assembly. Now with the hood open, we're going to go ahead and locate the air intake on the passenger side. We use our trim tool. We're going to grab this little button right here, pop out the center, lift it up, and pop that out. There it is. Now there should be one right here. It's missing on our vehicle, but you want to go ahead and repeat that process. You want to go ahead and lift up on this, pull it out towards you. You're going to disconnect the air intake port here from the air filter box. We're going to access our bulb right here, and we're going to press in on this little tab on the bottom of this connector and pull this off. I'll go ahead and grab that bulb. Going to rotate that counterclockwise. It's going to come to a stop. I'm going to go ahead and wiggle this out like so. Take your new bulb, insert that. You want to make sure that the tabs around the perimeter of the lamp line up with the notches on the lamp assembly, and then twist that, lock that into place. Go ahead and grab that connector, just line that up and push it on. You're going to hear and feel it engage. You want to repeat this process for the other side. Install the intake duct here. Get those plastic push pins installed. And then you can go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.